Hello friends, in this video we will learn to make a square. Choose your sprite and place it in any position. Click on bottom left corner at Add Extension. Select Pen. You will see all the blocks used to draw. Select Pen down. Now your sprite has a pen to draw. Now stand on the floor assuming you are a sprite. Move your steps and make a square. Isn't it easy to make a square? What you did will repeat the same steps in our code. Select Motion. Drag, move 40 steps, turn 90 degrees right. Again, follow the same sequence 3 more times. We want to execute our code when we click the green flag. So go to Events and select When Flag Clicked and add it at the top. What it does is when we click on our green flag, it executes the entire code. So, let's run it now. As you can see, we made this square, but this code is not optimum. We are repeating the same instructions 4 times. Can you tell which instructions are we repeating? Correct! You nailed it! It's move 40 steps and turn 90 degrees right. We can put these 2 instructions in repeat block. Scroll down and select repeat block. The turn 2 instructions in repeat block. Let's run it now. we have our first program to draw a square. You can give the name to your file and save your project. We will learn more of coding in the upcoming videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.